In this video, I will show you how to download and install Ashampoo Music Studio in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Ashampoo Music Studio without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to search Microsoft Store. When you search Microsoft Store in search bar, here you can see Microsoft Store. You have to click open. When you click open, Microsoft Store will be open. And in search bar, you have to search Ashampoo Music Studio. After searching Ashampoo Music Studio in search bar at the top, here you will find Ashampoo Music Studio 11. Click this link logo. When you click this logo, here you will find install option. Before this installing or downloading it, here you can see install option. Click this install option. If you want to know more about Ashampoo Music Studio 11, here you can see screenshot, description, rating and reviews, features, system and requirement. And much more. Additional information. When this software was published, category, publisher info, and many more, and many more. Here you can see screenshot of this software. You can wait for some time until this software is downloading or installing. We have just downloaded Ashampoo Music Studio. Now our Ashampoo Music Studio 11 is installing. And when you go here, you can see Ashampoo Music Studio. It means you have downloaded it and installed it without any error. Now you can open it and use it for your purpose. And you can do whatever you want to do with. I hope this video help you.